Hey guys, in this video we're going to be discussing the Chia Coin and its unique mining process. What is Chia? The Chia cryptocurrency, whose ticker is XCH, is a coin based on the notion that cryptocurrency should be easily accessible to everybody. Its founders believe that anyone should be able to access a cryptocurrency ecosystem and profit from it with minimal resources. The mining process for this coin is designed to make it as easy as possible while also requiring as few resources as possible, unlike most other popular coins. How mining Chia works. Mining Chia is known as Chia farming, and it's based on the proof of space and work mechanism. To use this mechanism, you need to hold huge amounts of data. That means you need huge amounts of disk space. You then need to be able to provide the data when needed to prove that you held it. For example, there could be 1 billion terabytes of data that you're holding, and the mechanism can ask you for 100 bits held in a specific location on your hard drive. If you can fulfill this request, you will receive a reward from the network for allowing it to store data on your hard disk. Mining Chia is like playing a game of bingo. The network will randomly allocate data and then ask for a random portion of that data. If you have it and can prove that you have it, you get a reward. The proof of space and work mechanism can be categorized into two main processes, which is plotting and farming. Plotting is the process of placing data on your hard drive. When it comes to the choice of the hard drive, you can use an SSD or an HDD device. SSD devices are the most efficient option. However, SSD devices cost more than HDD devices for the same storage size. A major downside of using SSD storage devices is that they wear out quickly when used for plotting. To avoid the issue of SSD wearing out too quickly, opt to buy an enterprise-grade SSD. Any other type of SSD will have a short lifespan. The processing of plotting leads to the creation of a temporary directory where all the plot files are stored. For this process, only an SSD will work. Farming is the process of checking that you will have the information on that storage device. With farming, the network will check whether the information is still there. It will then issue a reward once it confirms that it's there. Farming does not need an SSD. You can simply place the data on an HDD. Once plotting is done, a final directory is created and a temporary directory space is freed up. For a final directory, an HDD will suffice. However, it will need to be of significant size. Anyone can become a Chia farmer. Simply visit the Chia Coin website and install the Chia blockchain. Once you downloaded it, follow the instructions and begin farming. That's all I have for this video. If you want to see more cool cryptocurrency videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button for me and I'll see you later.